going on, guys? XSR Detroit here with another video for you. Today I'm going to be installing this Thep Radiator cover on my Honda CRF300L, and I'm going to show you how. So let's grab some tools and get to work. I'm going to begin by removing the seat. We've got two 6mm fasteners. We've got a push pin connecting the plastics. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. We also have a push pin connecting the stock radiator guard to the plastic. On the brake side of the bike, we've got three 5mm fasteners to remove. To remove the stock radiator cover, we just push in. It comes right out. So on our new radiator cover, we've got these two tabs. They're gonna fit in these two holes. Now, I've heard the fit on these covers is not great, and I mean, it kind of is what it is. It's definitely sticking out a lot, and it's not really lining up that great. I know these are cheaper products, but the fit isn't fantastic. Maybe if I bend this a little, it'll fit better. I think that's what I'll do. I'll take this off and I'll try and bend this in a little more to see if I can get it to fit at least better than it is. So basically what I did is I bent this inward so it wouldn't be sticking out as much when I'm putting it on. I mean, you get what you pay for, right? I might down the line upgrade to like a Flatlands with some frame reinforcement. At the time I didn't know about them, so I figured when I did my Biker's Bits order I would just throw this in. I mean, it's fine, I mean, but like I said, you definitely get what you pay for. Go ahead, grab your plastic and put it back on the bike. I'm gonna have to push the radiator guard in to line up the hole for the fastener, so I figured I'd start there. Don't forget to put your pin back in for the plastics. Last step, go ahead and put your seat back on. That's it for this install video, guys. Obviously very easy to install. You could probably use this video for a lot of different kinds of radiator covers for the Honda CRF300. You know, the fit isn't great. Like I said before, it's kind of cheap. You get what you pay for. I kind of wish I'd just gotten a Flatlands, like I said earlier, but I wasn't aware of their existence. So basically all this cover is going to do is prevent rocks from hitting the radiator and possibly puncturing it. But if I lay the bike down, it's not going to do anything to protect the mounting for the radiator. So I might not keep this. I'll keep you guys posted, but you know, it is what it is. But as always, thank you for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, sound off in the comment section. And as always, ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet. I'll see you in the next one.